a bigger check. Heard my heel, but never skipped a step. Heard I healed, got the women pressed. Look, I'm top tier, all the standards set. Bounce back in the game, this is the soundtrack to my reign. You heard the crowd clapping and crazy. Champion belt back in my frame. It's been a minute, y'all get back when I'm finished. CEO handling business, this was the mission. Stepping on all my minions, get back to count my millions. It's been a thing, conquered all my dreams. Now it's a regular scene, it's all in my jeans. As soon as I hear a ding, they know the boss in the ring. Look at the scars, all this pain. I heard the fans calling my name. I know the cost for all this fame. You call them dues, I call them paid. I got what it takes, y'all be taking them L's, I'm great. No, they ain't taking that well mistake. No, I don't make them as well my name. I give them hell in a cell.
CEO, CEO,
Cause we're all
CEO,
Cause we're all
CEO,
Cause we're all
CEO,
I'm the
CEO,
I'm the
CEO,
We're all
CEO.
I'm the blueprint, yeah, seems true. Let me teach you. Doubters will try to defeat you. Haters will try to repeat you. Don't let it beat you. Nah, I'm only human made. Everything I had to do to be great isn't impossible. You do the same. Y'all gotta stand in your name. Strengthen your focus. Show me you level up, going against the grain. When they want you to be regular, gotta control the dream. Show them that you're a competitor. Show up and show me your greatness. Now there ain't nobody better, huh? I never stop and neither should you. Fruits of my labor, it gave me the juice. Never say die, see I'm living proof. I'm living my life to the world's living real. They see it in me, make them see it in you. They don't know that I am believing in you. They never thought I would be in the booth. Look